Dr. Cannon. So this is my 5-minute lesson about the number guessing game. So you're invited to code along with me if you'd like. You can follow this link here at online-python.com. But hold on, before you do that, I want to cover a couple of things. Today, I need you to learn the use of variables, conditional checking, and code comments by building this number guessing game using Python. Okay, so before we get into the coding, this is where I would have students take notes to draw these pictures and to jot these definitions down, because these are going to be used in context. So the first one here is variable. So a variable in computing is simply a place where the computer remembers a piece of data. In other words, it's a container. So I am a coffee drinker, and I will often have a drink in class. And so my illustration is that my cup here holds something, and it can hold water or coffee or tea, but the container is like the variable. So you can put all kinds of things in there, like numbers and text and true-false statements, but it's just like that cup. So a variable is just a place to hold something. It's a place for the computer to remember. The second word you need to know is the conditional check. Okay, so this is used in conjunction with an if-else statement or a while loop, and it's just the computer checking a condition before it takes action. A great story here is, every one of us check the weather before we leave the house in the morning. And we look and we see, hey, is it going to rain today? And if it is, then we bring our umbrella. Okay, so that's the condition. If it's a chance of rain, then we bring the umbrella. So you can see here, this is the if-else statement. If it's going to rain, bring the umbrella. Else, don't bring it. Okay? And finally is the code comments. So what are those? These are little notes that you might leave for yourself or other developers that you're working with. The computer will ignore them, okay? But it's good for developers to read this. It's written in natural language so that we can remember exactly what's going on here. All right, so resources. There's the online Python editor, the number guessing game, this presentation, and then actually the answers to the code. If you get lost or not sure what's going on, you made a typo and you want to see how it goes, then you can do that. Let me show you what this game does first, okay? Before we go through it. So this is what the users would experience. They would say, hey, welcome to the number guessing game. I've selected a number between 1 and 100. Can you guess it? Okay. And so this is a great example of a basic computer algorithm called the binary search. Okay. So what you do is you split this in half, and this is exactly how it works. And the computer would say, hey, is the number I'm looking for, is it higher or lower? Well, here it's lower, so I'm going to split that last half in half again. Still too low, so I split the remaining in half. That's about 12. Still too low, so I split the remaining in half. Still too low, I'm going to split that in half. Still too low, split that in half. Still too low. What is it now? I'm going to have to redo my video because it's not working. Oh, goodness.